Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to airdrop from this iPhone to this iPhone. So I'll be detailedly explaining you everything. So what you need to do is the first one, we have to go to the photos here and select the video or photo, whatever you wanted to transfer from this to this. So I have selected an image here, and once you select the image or video, what you need to do is you have to go over here at the bottom. You can see there is an icon, just tap on it. Now from here, go to the AirDrop over here. You have to tap on the AirDrop, and right now this is how it looks like. Now we need to turn on the AirDrop over here on this particular device so that this will be visible here. To do so, what you need to do is go to the other device, go to the control center like this. Now from here, above the Bluetooth icon, you can see there is an icon that called AirDrop. So what you need to do is you have to just tap on it. And right now, once you tap on it, what you need to that will be visible here. Suppose imagine that you're transferring the file or video from this particular phone to other one where the contact is not saved. Then we need to make few things or cross-check few things first. So what you need to do is you have to go over here, press and hold over here like this. Now over here under the AirDrop, you can see it has been set into everyone. So go over here, tap on it. Now we have these options. So if you set this to contacts only, so what happens is it will be visible only for the contacts only over here. And if you click over here once again, if you wanted to set this for everyone, what happens is the AirDrop feature will be available for everyone. Even though it is not saved the contacts, still you can send them file. And once you set it up to everyone, what you need to do is it will be appearing over here. Just tap on this one. And it is going to ask you a question here. So what you need to do is you have to type the AirDrop code. So you just need to go over here. It is going to give you a code, tap over here. So this is the code and I need to type over here. So let me type 78, exactly the same, 4005. Now as you can see, it will be tapping in between, and over here you can see received from, and if you tap on it view, you can see this is the image that I sent from this iPhone, and this is exactly the same image that I sent from this one to this one over here. Now this is how we can do this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it, bye.